It is.
Aiden, did you have a fun birthday?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get a plane?
Mm-hmm.
Can you say plane?
Right?
Did you get a choo-choo train?
Mm-hmm.
Can you say choo-choo? Can you say choo-choo?
Choo-choo.
Did you get a minion?
Mm-hmm.
Can you say minion?
Mimi?
Did you have a fun birthday?
Yeah.
Are you 1?
Mm-mm.
Are you 3?
Mm-mm.
Are you 2?
Mm-mm.
Can you show me 2 fingers? That was really fast. Can you do it again? Show me 2 fingers. 2. Oh! He did it. Can you show me 2? Is that good Mimi cake?
Gaga.
Oh god. Do you need more? A little bit more? Okay. Can you say, I love you?
Baby.
Can you say, happy birthday to me?
Baby.
To me.
Me.
Can you say, Aiden is cute?
Dad.
Is cute?
Did.
Good job, buddy.